thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. And we know that my name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standards. Well, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really she makes no mistakes. Well, I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am glad that my name is on her books, for I'm one to be one, never fearing the face of my Savior to look. And when he cometh descending from heaven on a cloud, like he said in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of the great speckled bird. Thank you.
Here, thank you so much. That was a wonderful song. Great pipes, too. Great voice. Thank you very much. Wish I had pipes like that. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that performance. Aubrey, take it away.